This is the Dimapur train station. This train will go to Bhujapur. And now we are started to go Green Park, and now we are in the vehicle. And hello, Buddha. What do you want to say? Of course. Okay, so guys, see you again. Dimapur. Right now we are now Green Park. Already reached Green Park. There is a Green Park. So let's get in. We have to take. There we are going to take a ticket. I don't know how much this costs. Yeah, maybe 40. And there are lots of people also coming. Not only us. Yeah. So we are going to take. Here's the ticket counter. We are going to explore the greenhouse. Greenhouse, not a greenhouse. We are going to explore the green park. So in this Dimapur, if anybody who wants to visit, you can come and visit. It's only 40 or something only. So you just come and take the ticket, and you can visit here. Okay, here is my friend. He is going to take a ticket for boat. Here's the 40 ticket price. Outside food not allowed for booking. 10 and adults 13 years above is ₹40. Children up to 12 years is 20. Here's the gate. We are going to cross this side, and we came from that, so we are going to enjoy it. We take the ticket, right? So here is our ticket for boat. It's 20. So can you please tell me?
Jumu Kitima.
Huh? Repeat again, please.
Jumu Kitima Dimapur.
So if anybody want to visit, you can take that location and come. There's only 40 for each person. Up to adults up to 13 years is 40, and below is 20 rupees only. So take this opportunity and visit. It's not good. Yeah, I'm going to take this view. Yeah, it's a nice view. There's the Green Park in Dimapur. We came from this side, and there.
Hello.
And this side we are going this way. So we are going to explore a lot. Yeah. Guys, right now we are going to ride this boat. There is coming. And moving.
On board के चाहिए से
Here is our driver, here is our engine, and here is our driver. This is it, how we guys, anyways only take only 300 for one trip. If we come like 6% or 8%, then they will take only 300 per head. They will take 50. They will not go per head. It's like 50. It's like 300 for one trip. So even if you want to try, you can come and try. This is here we are going back again. We are going back again.
Guys, you can try.
There's water. It's so good, yeah. So here is our spot. We are going to come back there, and first we will go this side, and we will turn around again, and then we will come back to place. So let's see the water. That's what the water is too hot, yeah. First time in my life, yeah, guys. It's so good. You can come. It's for 301 trip. Now we are turning back, turning around.
Đấy. Ôi, tarik chỗ gì thế?
Ay, con mali din na. Customer bin naik. Mali din na kuno doy.
I don't understand what they are saying. I don't understand because I came from Manipur, that's why I don't know. Now we are going back. There we are. There we are going to stop there, and we start from there, and we will go back there, and we will stop, and we will finish from there. So it's a big river, yeah. You can come and visit here. It's only tag for one trip is 300. So if you come with 5, 6, 7, 8 per person, then they will only take 300. So come and visit there and just enjoy a lot. Yeah. Good. Guys, we are back. We are back. Okay, we are back. Oh, fourth spot. Yeah, it's a nice.
Take some risk.
It was a nice trip, yeah. Okay, guys, we enjoyed a lot, and now we are coming back. So I hope you guys may enjoy too the video. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channels. And see you again in next video.
Yeah, we enjoyed a lot, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and keep on supporting us always. Thank you. From
Okay.
That's all.
Guys, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.